Good morning, everyone. On the instruction of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, a Samadhan camp was organized by the district administration, in which various problems of the citizens were heard seriously and instructions were given to take immediate action for their solution. The cases which could be resolved on the spot were resolved immediately, while under cases were resolved within the stipulated time frame and orders when given to submit the action taken report. Under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, SDM Naveen Kumar and CTM Ashish Sangwan heard the problems of the people in the Samadhan camp and said that Samadhan camps have become an effective medium to strengthen the dialogue between the citizens and the administration. Through these campus people problems are resolved under one roof. Officials from various departments are present in the camp, which makes the process of resolving complaints faster and engineer. Regular monitoring of Samadhan camps is also being done so that the solution of any problems is not remain pending. He clarified that the priority of the administration is to provide quick and effective service to the citizens. He instructed the officials that any kind of negligence is resolving the complaints received in the Samadhan camp will not be accepted. It is known that Samadhan camps are being organized in the mini secretariats on every working day in the district so that people can get the benefit of government services without any hindrance. The administration appealed to the citizens to take maximum advantage of these campus and get their problems solved. Camps are being organized in various villages and places in the district to provide the benefits of Har Ghar Har Grihani Yojana to all the beneficiaries. The district food and civil supplies department is doing the work of registration. Camps are being organized in various villages and places in the district to provide the benefits of Har Ghar Har Grihani Yojana to all the beneficiaries. The district food and civil supplies department is doing the work of registration as a special campaign by setting up camps. So for BPL and AAY families in the district have registered themselves on the portal under this scheme. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that on a initiative of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, the government has started the Har Ghar Har Grihani Yojana, under which special camps are being organized in the district and eligible families are being registered. DFSSO Sanjeev Kumar said that camps are being organized by the Food and Supplies Department in rural and urban areas. He said that till Tuesday camps have been organized at a total of 4 places in the district, in which a total of 379 eligible families have been registered. 130 eligible families from Valmiki Basti, 33 from Rawaldi and Badra have been registered. He said that on Thursday, 30 January, camps will be organized at on Gyan Kendra Bhandwa, Panchayat Ghar Khorda, Panchayat Ghar Lad, Sop Kasne. Free drone pilot training in 10 February apply. Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department has invited online applications from youth interested in taking drone training till 10 February. In agriculture work, pesticides are sprayed on crops through drone. This technique not only serves the farmers but also sprays medicines on crops properly. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that people between the age of 18 years to 50 years apply from drone training. Those applications will be made online on the Agriculture Department's website agriharyana.gov.in. This training will be given by the Drishya Agency in Karnal for 7 days. No fee will be charged from the training for this. The applicant should have a family identity card, at least matriculate calculation, educational certificate and registration on the Meri Fasal Mera Bureau portal. Also, it is necessary for him to have a passport. He said that the applicant should be a member of an FPO and cooperative society. Only one member from an organization can apply for drone training. The names of the applicants will be finalized by preparing a merit list. In this regard, farmers can contact the Office of Assistant Agriculture Engineer and Deputy Director of Agriculture Department. He said that the Agriculture Department has set a target of training 500 youths in the state to operate drones. So, Additional Deputy Commissioner Vishwajit Chaudhary held a meeting with officials of the departments related to the scheme and gave them necessary guidelines in the meeting. Discussions were held on the essential need to ensure seamless and efficient implementation of Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma Yojana to extend its benefits to the artisans and craftsmen engaged in traditional occupations. The additional Deputy Commissioner said that 18 handicrafts have been included in the PM Vishwakarma scheme, which include goldsmith, boat making, armor, blacksmith, hammer and iron, tool making, lock making, goldsmith, potter, sculptor, colber, mansion, basket, mat making, doll and toy making, barber, washerman, tailor and finishing net making. Under this scheme, artisans associated with the various occupations will be provided training, toolkit and bank loan facilities. He said that under the scheme, the artisan will first have to register himself on the pmwvishwakarma.gov.in portal. Physical verification of applicants who have registered will be done at village and city level to make small artisans self-reliant, and first a loan of 1 lakh will be given, which is to be repaid in 18 months at interest of 5%. After replacement of loan, this artisan will be given training again. A stipend of 500 will be given every day in the training. After that, a loan of 2 lakh will be given, which is to be repaid in 30 months. During this time, efforts will also be made to connect the artisans to the market. He told that the scheme is for 5 years and a target has been set to connect 30 lakhs artisans across the country in the first year. Additional Deputy Commissioner reviewed the Pradhan Mantri Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme in the meeting with officials of the concerned departments and gave necessary guidelines in the meeting. Deputy Director Sandeep, District Industries Center, informed in detail about the applications under Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme. Manoj Lama, Domain Expert, received single BDPO, NISA Assistant Director, Government of India, Raj Vardhan, Lead District Manager and under related officials were present in the meeting. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Take care.